then.
I want you to stay till I'm in the grave, till I rot away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. You go on going through, 'cause it was always you.
Grotesquerie premieres tonight at 10 on FX. Stream on Hulu.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka nababalik. Maulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Paumanhin at mukhang hindi ko masasabayan ang iyong yapak sa pagngiti at pag-iyak, sa paglipad at pagbagsak ng araw-araw. Sa pagpikit na lang kita matititigan sa mata, sa panaginip na magpapaligaw. Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kitab ng bituin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. 'Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap bang mag-isang nanginginig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo? May kulang ba sa inyo na naiwan dito? Aanhin ang ulan sa paradiso. So kahit madulas ay dati malapit ka, ngayon walang kahati ng init pag maulan. Sana naman tumigil ang ulan. Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba nawala ang kitab ng bituin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. 'Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap bang mag-isang nanginginig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo?
Di magdadali.
Gumising ka nang makita mo ang tamis ng sandali ng kahapong di magbabalik hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman kahit matapos ang pagpakailan pa man ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig hanggang kailan pa ba magtitiis nalunod na sa kaisip huling kapiling kay sa aking panaginip ikaw mula noon ikaw hanggang ngayon
Sa dulo ng aking alangan.
hanggang ang puso'y wala nang maramdaman hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman kahit matapos ang pagpakailan pa man ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig ako'y maghihintay ako'y walang hanggan ako'y hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman ako'y maghihintay ako'y maghihintay ako'y maghihintay.
Hey guys, how's it going? We are back in with another video. Well, today there's a lot of things going on for the day. As you guys can see, you guys look at the market structure. We have, so today there is no news, so we're going to be fighting back and forth. This is just going to be a chop day, probably. So be really, really careful. If you don't have to trade today, don't trade. You know, it's but we have a 10 a.m. news. We just have to wait where the next trade gonna take us. And I'm gonna go say our good morning to everybody and get everybody all situated and stuff. Say hello to everybody, you know. So I don't think there's going to be a lot of news drivers. It's just going to be accumulation probably today. And then Friday or Thursday, we have, that's where the expansion will come. That's what I'm seeing so far on the market. But be really, really careful on today because it's not going to be a lot of move from what I see. Just going to be a lot of accumulation that's going to be happening, you know, consolidation. And then we expect something to happen tomorrow. So you just have to wait. You have to wait for the setup. That's what I'm seeing so far. This is my trade. So expect it to probably this is probably a sell right here. It's about 7:36 p.m. So we already did all our move right here. So I do expect it to go down to the downside. Take out this, get this this area. But it's not going to be a lot of move for me. From the looks of it, we are still trading around like 75 points. We don't know if it could expand to the upside. So that's up to the market to decide whether we want to, or, you know, continue to trade up. So a lot of things, guys. And I want you guys to know that there is, a lot of plan for, like I said, this one right here. So for the next hour, we're just going to be consolidating or expanding. So there's going to be a gap that's going to get filled. So you just have to set up for this. You have to wait for it. It's not going to set up. I know there's a sell right there, but the chart doesn't even tell me on the 1 hour. It doesn't give me an idea. So it's not gonna give me a lot of ideas in this. So I want you guys to know that, you know, it's gonna take a while for you guys to understand why I'm like this. I can't because I'm running like 3 live stream. That's why, Luna. I can't. I guess I'm running 3 stream at the same time, and I don't think my internet can hold it. I'm poor, man. So I don't know if I can, but we'll try. We'll see. I already got 3 stream going on, and I don't want to.
Stay focused. Don't listen to nobody. What's on your mind, just do it. Because what's destined for you, you're going to get it. Stay focused. Don't listen to nobody. What's on your mind, just do it. Because what's destined for you.
Yes, it is. The indicator is paid. He's been working on this for quite some time. A lot of work put into this. This is his work. Yeah, it's you won't be able to find it on TradingView. You won't be able to find it. Everything. You have to message him. You have to message. This is all of it right here. It's a lot of information that you can take on, but at the same time, I like it. It makes sense for me. And the win rate for this one is 92%, 95% win rate. So he's already back testing all the strategies and stuff with this. So it gets back tested, everything. Give me a second. The indicator costs, by the way, it costs a lot of money, by the way. Because of the work he put into it. And he does a lot for his community. That's his Twitter. I put in his Twitter. It's a lot of money, by the way, Luna. So it's better for you to save up as much as you can for it, and then from the, what do you call it? I can't think right now. I can't think for some reason. So you better save up right now from your prop firm monies, and just pay him, man. It's a good investment. because you get a lot of things. You get alerts, so you don't even have to worry about what the market's gonna do. I'm just looking at it. I'm like, okay, this is what it's gonna do. Okay, well, we'll just wait for the setup now. Next thing you know, you're profiting from the trade. So just heads up on that one. It's not really. It takes time to finally realize that, oh man, this is an easy stuff. But first, it has to align to all of the higher time frames so that you can actually hold it. So what I'm seeing so far is that we can probably go to the upside, which is 165. So that's a 40-point move. I'm trying to get to at least around 40 to 80 points. But right now I'm going to be playing, today I'm just going to be playing safe, because there's not a lot of things that I could think of right now that's going to be a good play. Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow itself is a good indication that we can probably move to the upside move. And that's where it's just going to take us where it wants to go. So just keep doing as much as you can to keep trading, man. Keep trading as much as you can. But yeah, that's it's a lot of information you can get from just using his indication, and then it gives you a sense of confidence that, okay, this is where it's gonna go now. Like for example, yesterday, I was able to just profit out of it and then leave the market within like 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Because my bruh, how long I've been trading? So how does it work? It's basically the same concept. You know, it already gives you the pivot points. Everybody used the pivot points, so it updates every minute. So your pivot points gets calculated within like, so from right here to right here, right? So it gets calculated within 30 minutes. So this is a 30-minute time frame. So that would look like on your candlestick, and then after that, that's where people are going to be taking profit. So the pivot point is very, very important. You see how they're bouncing off on this area. You got the pivot point right here. This is your good entry right here, and you take profit right there. Now you can be playing the range. So if you're a range guy, you can probably take a short right here, take your risk around this area. Or you can get this one right here, and then take your risk here, and then take it to the downside move. So I'll do an example, man. Let's do paper trading. So I'll do this one right here. This is your stop. Same thing right there. So the same thing what you're going to be doing right here. So since we have a fair value gap right here, obviously I'm going to put my stop right here. So you're still getting like a 2R move out of this trade. So a lot of good things you can use from your strategy. Will it work or not? It probably will not work. But I see that within that 7 o'clock till 8, we're gonna expand to the downside move, taking out this area. So that's a good 15, 20 point move, and you're just risking what, 10 points? So 10 points out of that trade, it's a 2R trade. I'm not taking any trades because this is not like my time frame. I usually take trades at around 9 a.m. That's when my best time to trade, because I like to just get in and out within like 5 minutes. After I make my money at 5 minutes, I'm done for the day. And right now, I'm just doing it to talk to you guys. That's why I like it. I like to just talk to you guys. And motivate you guys every day. So that's what it is, man. Dude, it's getting colder now. That's why I had to put some jacket on. Is because I'm getting cold. So yeah, getting cold, man. It's about to be October. Everybody excited for the winter? I'm excited. Thinking of going somewhere. It's this winter time. I just need to be away from my computer screen, and then come back again, new, fresh, on Monday. I mean, January or February. That's why my goal for this year is actually to make something pretty decent amount, and then just use that to probably start a business somewhere, help out people. But that's what pretty much my plan is to just get as much as I can in the market right now, and then once New Year happens, 2025, do the same process again, over and over again. Right now it is about 59. Yeah, we're below 60 right now. That's why it's cold. Woke up this morning, I was like, man, I'm freezing. So yeah, it's I gotta go send some message. So yeah. So that's the thing about it, it's Oh, I bought this jacket, by the way. I bought it for less than $30. Cuz I go to TJ Maxx and just buy some cheap clothes. I don't need to spend a lot of money, but this is a New Balance jacket for less than $30. Can you believe that? This whole thing is like $30. New Balance. Why would I spend $120 on clothing? I don't need to spend that much. It's only $30. I'm too cheap, man. Hey Josh, I only take about at least 1 to 3 trades. If I want to get too greedy, I just take 1 to 3 trades and just practice on the paper trading account. But right now I don't. I have my other accounts right now opened just in case I take a trade I was supposed to get a payout from yesterday, but for some reason, so today I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna be playing minis. I'm just gonna be playing micros until this thing gets situated. I don't want to lose all my profit. I got an error message right now. They're trying to fix it. Takes about 1 to 2 days. I hope they fix it so we can actually get a payout. Just have to think positive, you know. But yeah, I can take out at least $1,200, $1,200 times 2. That's $2,400. Currently up like $15,000 for this week. Trying to get to 100K. If I can get to 100K, that'd be great. Be paying a lot of bills and be fixing a lot of my credit cards and stuff. What platform I'm using? I'm using Trade-O-Vate. So yeah, just using Trade-O-Vate, and then whatever I get from the fraud firm, you know, they just pay the bills in the house. That's pretty much my go-to, my take. See, that thing did not even work. That strategy that I was telling you guys about. Is because the higher time frame doesn't support the idea that it's gonna go down. That was just a pure manipulation to the downside move, and next thing you know, your trade doesn't work out. So, like I said, this is your buy right here, your buy opportunity. So we're gonna be retesting this area. So we already traded right here. So next thing you know, we got 148 level to be touch. It takes time, guys. It takes time. You have to be patient enough to understand that risk management is really the key role into making a good trade. It's always risk management. You don't want to be over leveraging, so that you can obviously, like for example, like I want to go 14 so I can make back my loss right there. And just next thing you know, it's not gonna work out. So like if you take the 14 right here, you'll be like, what the heck did I just do? So I'm gonna be willing to risk 3,000. It's a 1-1 trade, 1-to-1 R. So that's not even a good risk reward ratio. So even if you're playing with like micros, you can be doing the same thing over and over again. It's all about risk management when it comes to trading. If you can use, you know, minis, you're confident enough to do minis. That's up to you as a trader. But yeah, Josh, it's all about risk management. By the way, trading itself is just risk management to make yourself profitable in the market itself. So there's currently like 6 people watching. Really, really cool people to see me. Yeah, so for me, if I were to take minis, right, I'm willing to lose at least 20 points out of minis. And then if I were to do micros and I want to expect it to go to 100 points, I usually risk at least around $200 out of that trade. So that's like 3 to 4 micros. So a lot of people, you know, currently tuning in, which is Really, really cool, man. That's 6 people watching. Definitely. Dude, I gained some weight. I ate a lot yesterday. I know I gained weight because my face is puffy right now. I can see it in my face. Feel heavy. Really, really heavy. And I need to go to the gym today. I'm going to the gym today. Wow, there's 11 people. People are watching. Yeah, thank you guys for watching and tuning in. But if you guys took the trade on that downside move, I'm a little bit too late on that trade, but it's a 1-to-1 ratio. If I were to trade right now, but I'm not taking any trades. I'm just currently just waiting till we get to this level. So what I am thinking of right now that could happen is this area right here is something that I need to watch for. Also 215 area. It's where people could take profit. So we just have to continue to just wait. If the setup doesn't work out, you just have to just sit around. don't do anything, because if you press the button, you're obviously gonna you're already taking the trade and you're getting all the anxiety, and you don't want to be doing that. Because next thing you know, there's that A+ setup that you've been waiting on, and literally you just have to wait out, let it wait and wait. So yeah, that's those are the things that you want to be trading. Just wait, continue to wait. Yeah, I gained weight. Oh my god, I was gonna go run today. That's why I had my jacket on, and I was like, oh, you know what? I'm already. So if you start with, I don't want to give any financial advice or any of that. I don't give any of that. I think $500 is enough to trade the futures. Just trading micros. Yeah. So the leverage to trade one micro, you only need like $500 for ES. So $236 or $197. Yeah, 190. Let me go check on the margin rules. Trade of 8. Trade station, margin requirements. So let me go check right now. Give me a second. So for micros, and then so you only need 555, $610 for micro for NQ, and then ES. The mess is like $160. Yeah, $160. So yeah, you can make for ES like $50 to $60 a day, and you just continue to build it up. You don't really need to start big on building a small account. All you need is just $500 of your time, and there's this one guy. He actually turned his $46 into like $100K in like 6 months. $40. He turned it into $100K in 6 months. If he can do it, you can do it. For me, I got to 15,000 in less than like 4 days. Yeah, 4 days. You just have to follow your rules, don't over leverage. Sometimes you have to if you want to be in a hurry or something like that. Usually those are the type of trades. I think this is going to be a manipulation to the downside move for me. So did that. Okay, now I can take this. Let me take this down. And I'm going to take it right here on this trade right here. Then stop loss above this area. I think that makes sense. And then where is the candle at? Yeah, so if you break through that low, that opening gap, that opening 12, expect a sell.
Order filled.
All right, I taking a couple of trades on that one. Taking that trade. I like that setup. Especially it's 507. What does the Discord? So yeah, I took that trade. Doesn't work out. Doesn't work out. It's how much is that? That's 10 point times micros, so $40. What do you risk $40 in order to make $80? Because I expected to break down that lower side. Probably around. The candle looks like it wants to. It wants to go to 97. So that's 40 points. That's just my take. This is my 2 cent. And it makes sense. Taking it easy. Okay, so you just broke down to that area. All right, so so what I expected to do is a retracement to the back to the downside. That's what I'm thinking of right now. But we don't know, you know. I'm just seeing what I'm seeing, what pattern I'm seeing. If we want to take the profit, we take the profit. That's all up to us as traders. Because usually how the market does is it runs to the liquidity. It runs to the liquidity. Where is the liquidity? Where is the imbalances? Where is all of these? And we have imbalances around, you know, this area, which is. So I suspect it to run down to 109 if it can, but if it can't, then it does not. Then it doesn't make sense for me to continue to trade. We still got like an hour left. So 109. Where is the 1 hour time frame? Yeah, so can go back on that area. So we want to be watchful at 119 level. Because that's where the 15 minute and the 1 hour is at. Just gonna do this as a break-even trade.
Order filled.
All right, so I took off to my position on the micros. And then just continue to hold this. And if I take the losing trade, I take the losing trade. I'll take the losing trade. That doesn't matter for me. But I see it going to 109. So I only got like 1 micro. I'm playing with 1 micro on my count. Got a good feel out of it. I got like 134 area. So yeah. Continue to live your process, live your life. You know, that's what it is. It's all about. Listen to yourself. As the futures will hold on. Good, the candle is for this right here. That's why I think it's gonna go down, is because of the candle for the 4 hour. It makes sense for me to take that trade. So now we got double tops on the 4 hour time frame if we want to go to the upside move. So it's based on your decision when it comes to trading. I'm gonna start scaling some of my contract here. This and then this. So my target this area. 109 and then the rest is 121. So I'll probably like take like let's say about like five points. Oh man, it looks like it might not even work. It's all good. It's all good. You don't need to stress. This is just paper trading. That's the point of paper trading. You practice, you keep progressing. There is a trend line on the 5 minute.
5 minutes starting now.
What the?
When the timer ends, you can say, Siri.
So this is like you're managing your risk right here. You know, that's how I see it now. So if we struggle, then we displace to the downside. What I would do, I put my stop here now. This thing's still not safe right here. So you see, that's why it's going up now. That's right. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Here, you just have to continue to improve your process as a trader. I don't know. I buy limits. What are the buy limits? Buy limits is wherever you want to place your where you want to buy. This sucks. This might be a losing trade. Oh my gosh. A losing trade. I gotta go switch out my hats, man. I'm gonna rest. It's only like 1 hour and 30 minutes, man. Still got time to realize that the futures market will make me a difference. Ooh, I like this. I need to add in 2 more contracts on this.
Order filled.
And then we'll just put the stop in there. If it runs up to the upside, that's totally fine with me. I stop right there. Yeah, the 7 points. I'm risking 7 points to make what? 25 points? Oh man, that's easy enough for me. Say less. I don't think that's gonna. I don't think that trade's gonna work. I don't think that trade's gonna work, guys. A lot of buyers, unless they grab this this imbalances to the upside, which is 140. But we don't know. We don't know. That's why we're gonna look for divergence. Divergence. Let's see if I can buy one more contract. 1820. Keep adding more. We're gonna go 38 contracts. Fake money. Damn, imagine if you go like 42 contracts, man. That's insane. All right, we took out that loss. We're taking out that loss. It's pushing up.
Stop filled.
Oh no, I took a loss on this. 28 bucks. Oh, what is 28 bucks? Yeah, I can make that 28 bucks in less than what? Imagine if you over leverage like that, man. That's you already lost like 4K in like less than like 30 in 4 minutes. And the next thing you know, it already does the thing that you wanted to do. And I'm like, what the heck did I just do, man? See?
Order filled.
Let me do it one more time. That's not really cool to have me like that. I'm so bored. Let's go play some music. I want to play some music. Gotta make some money tonight. That's why you gotta be careful with the market.
I want you to stay. Till I breathe. Till I rot away, dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. You
That's
go,
what I'm gonna do.
'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose.
It's called Power of Three, Josh. It's called Power of Three.
We should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even
Better, but I don't
Stop
know. Oh man. Okay, well, it didn't work. That's my second trade. Love you more.
Order filled.
You would eat the compliments I throw ya, but you're so full of shit. Tell me, is it big? Say you don't see it, your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should still get it on till the light in my eyes. Till the day I die.
It's
This killer is someone who knows anatomy. The blood, the DNA, it was left there for us to find.
This is evil.
You're the nun who's a journalist covering crime.
There's
I like this music. I don't know why. It just gives me the heart.
Order filled.
Lady. How bad they do. I made back my loss with one minis. I was like down like $60. And I was like, oh, you know what? Let's just do one minis on that pullback. Know what I'm trying to love people. Oh, ICT. I trade ICT, bro. I trade ICT, bro. I like his concept. To me, it makes sense. His market structure, you know, about explaining things where the algorithms will run up to. It makes sense for me. I like it. It makes it. The reason why I studied it's based on the experience that he had in the market. He's been in for like so long. And he tried so many. It's a language now that he talks about. So which is just learning the language of the market structure. It's making much more sense. It's not about, you know, the strategy that he puts in where the algorithm will seek. It's basically it's a language, like you're teaching a kid, and that's why I like it. I love his teaching. It takes so long to learn the trades and stuff, but dude, it's amazing that he's putting his time into teaching us traders. Imagine this, man. He put in so much of his time, like 2 hours to 3 hours, doing some commentary on him live streaming and stuff, or mentorship. I don't understand why people be hating on him. I don't get it. Like, that's part of it, man. So that's why I admire him to teaching us. Like, imagine this, like any mentorship and any mentor, you have to pay for it. That song is this one right here. Let me this one right here, brother. There you go. That's the song right there. I love his teaching. That's all there is, Josh. That's my thoughts on it, into it. But as a trader, you have to understand this. You have to do it yourself. You can't be relying on other people. Your decision should be based on, like, what is the market sentiment. The only reason why I studied ICT is because I want to learn what does the market do. Why are we using simple moving averages? Why are we using this? All of that stuff. It's not because I'm doing it because I believe on him and stuff, but I still need to improve my process. The market is always evolving. It used to be, the money using, like, last couple of months ago, it was always in the morning, but now it's in the afternoon now. So yes, Josh, it's a lot of teaching from ICT, but at the end of the day, at least you learn something. You learn how to read the market. Where is the market going to be going? Why do we have this scheduled at this specific time frame? 8:30, all of that stuff. And that's the reason why I really like his teaching. It just makes sense for me as a trader. And I like it, man. I like the way he teaches things, making it so easier for us traders to understand. It's like a language, man. We're just teaching each other how to read a language. Like, if you're trying to learn, Japanese, hey, Nihongo nashimasu ka? Or, like, if you're trying to speak Mandarin or Tagalog, kamusta na kayo dyan sa mga ano? That's pretty much my take into, the trading, all of that stuff. That's why I respect him teaching us that, the basic things. Because everybody's been using it for so long, that we forgot to have a basic understanding about the market. So what makes up the market itself? It's not that it's like, to be honest with you, it's all about just taking your time into trading.
Order
You know,
filled.
just taking your time into becoming a better trader that you expect it to be. Nickelodeon. We tend to forget the basics. That's one of the things that you need to learn as a trader. You need to understand that going back to basics is going to get you somewhere. The probability of trading it all the time can make a big difference in your trades. And you just have to trust in the process every day. You just got to trust in the process every day. And it's going to get you to the point where, okay, this is the trade that I took. It makes sense for me to take this trade right here. What is the next trade would be? Like, do we keep going? Do we keep doing the same trade over and over again to continue to be profitable? And that's what it is, man. It's all about risk management, keeping your head up high as much as you can, and improving every day, improving yourself. And that's what I like about trading. You know, trading is about improving one another. We help out each other to become the trader that we wanted to be, to actually come up with a plan in life. You know, that's how I see it now. I see bigger things in life.
Order filled.
And next thing you know, made my money back now. For just, because I'm watching the 15-second chart. I took that trade for just a quick profit, micros, and was willing to risk $50. So I took that 15-second, and next thing you know, I made the profit right there. It's really, really, really simple strategy. You just gotta Yeah, I don't make any money on affiliates and YouTube, man. I don't make any money right now. I definitely need to get some affiliation with companies. Just trying to get some. I'm trying to sign up for my funded futures for the affiliation, but they denied me. So I don't know if my code still works. But I'm still trying my best, man. Every day. I just hope they approved it. They actually denied me on that one. It's all good, you know. It's all good. There's nothing to be worried about. You know, they just need to communicate with each other. Hey, man, can I actually get a affiliation code just to promote your products? But right now, I don't have any products that I'm affiliated with, because I deleted my old account, and right now I'm just starting back up. So that's why on my description, I don't those things, I don't know if they work or not. So be mindful of that. But they're just codes, man, for you guys to get some discounts. Price. I'm about to be working later. Actually, no, I have some appointment. I have school. I have class. Forgot I have class. I gotta go work out though after 8. I want to look good, man. So when I go home in the Philippines, you know, I look sexy. I gotta look good, man. That's my goal for today. Is at 8. So that's 11 a.m. as I'm done trading. But right now, I don't have any plans for today. Nah. I think this is the time to just sit around and just wait. Just let it wait. I should have just took that trade, that long trade at 126 area. That would have been a good epic trade for 25 points. Two contracts of minis. But you know, that's part of it. We don't know what could happen. So today, I think I've just made $6 today. So $12 today. I'm taking it easy, man. I am taking it easy, bro. Oh, look at that. Look at RC. Good morning, RC. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bro. We got to go work out. We got to look good in the camera, right? We got to look good in the camera. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. You know, I'm pretty excited and pumped every day just to become a best version of myself. And that's what's so great about it. Well, we made back our loss. You know, we lost $60. Go take one minis and you're good to go. Just follow the trend. So I just took my loss back, and I gotta look sexy for the Philippines, the Filipino community out there, and be like, hey, this is my business card. I'm gonna give it to you so that you guys can learn how to trade the market. Let's build a community. And you know, all this, guys, you know, the learning, all that stuff, it's actually for you guys. It's not for me. You're trying to break off to that matrix. That's what they said, right? You're trying to break out to that matrix. But yeah, today, you know, it's a good day to be alive. It's a beautiful day to be alive. And I tell people this, man. This is what you should be looking forward to, is no matter how much you lost in the market, you're still going to be able to keep coming back because you believe on it. As long as you believe and you find the right people to trade with, you're going to get the money back. Because you guys spreads ideas, you know, you could like I recommend you guys to do, you know, create a community, create your own YouTube page. Because that's how you're gonna get better. Not only you that's growing, but you're you know, the other people also. But let's go play that music again. I like that music. I want to play that music.
I want you to stay till I
Made a-
till I ride away, dead and buried, till I'm in the casket you carry. You go
No, no, too.
'cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be
There's your short right there. Ooh. What? We're gonna make some money tonight. See, guys, that's
Starting a business and
that's what the community is all about. You see, there's a short opportunity. You gotta take that trade. But I'm still suspecting it to 175 and 200 area. That's what I'm suspecting to happen. Liquidity has been taken already. That's why I'm just going to be waiting. I'm not going to be in a hurry. Why do I need to be in a hurry? I don't need to be in a hurry to take that trade. Ooh, this one is... I want to listen to this one.
Wish 1075.
There's your short setup right there. Now we're going back to that trend line. Trend line is around 131, so 10 more points to go. Okay. I don't think I should be taking this to the sell side. I think we're gonna be going to the upside. Definitely wait. You guys better be careful on this. I think we're gonna go to the upside. We're going to 200 at least. Retest that 200 area level if we want to expand to the upside more. I'd be very, very careful on this trade if I were you guys. I think it's a trap. It's a trap, guys. They're gonna trap you. So better be careful. Let's go listen to another one. This one is my other one. All right, Scooby. Later, bro. I'll be done after this too. After their 11. Sabi. Dadag sa beauty. Ang puso sa ikaw. Bakit ako iniwan? Let's go listen some I want to hear that laws. Just skip this. Why am I getting like ads?
Said it happened last night, about 10 to 11 when I first laid eyes on you. We're standing in line into Club 777. It was just like heaven and a dream come true. We're standing in the right place at the right time. When you this girl caused the crime, you're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set my heart on fire, and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on fire, and now I'm so in love with you, my emperor. Said I'm feeling it now, something I've never felt. My heart
I am bored, man.
I wanna see you again, my love. Sent from above.
I gotta go call people, man. I'm bored.
Girls, yes, I've seen a few, but out of all the beauty in the world,
There's nothing like you.
you're my pretty little girl who made me a fool in love. You got my heart all in the world, and now it needs cooling. You set
Set my heart on fire.
and now I don't know what to do. You set my heart on.
I'm gonna go say what's up to all my friends and everybody else in there. So bored. Say you go to be the person you want to be there for you. You got to keep yourself blue, 'cause you don't know. Sunday morning rain is falling. Steal some cover, share some skin. So a lot of news happening right now. We got the 4 a.m., which is the 30-year mortgage rate. Actual is 6.13. Previous was 6.15. Mortgage application actual is 11%. Forecast previous was 14.2. Some news is basically Israeli military head of Northern Command. We have entered a new phase of campaign, and we must be fully prepared for maneuvering in action. And then Google complains to Europe, claiming Microsoft abused market power. And then Hezbollah, Ali, we are working with the U.S. on mediation. So a lot of good, some of the bad news that happened at like an hour ago. Just just reading into some of the things. But circuit breaker. So they said right here, there's a SPX circuit breaker. Market circuit breaker labels are calculated daily. A market trading halt can be triggered at each of the 3 levels, which are based off 7, 13, and 20% decline, respectively, from the prior trading day's closing price. So take your time, guys. So another choppy day for today. Make sure you guys are. That's why I said this morning it's going to be a choppy day for today. I don't think I'm going to be. I don't know if the place that I'm trying to look for is going to work today. I'm just trying to be careful and just check for an A+ setup. Check for an A+ setup. That's what my plan for today. Trying to protect my capital. Just trying to protect my capital as much as I can, just to be bullish for today. So if we break 2150, expect like 2185. I'm going to wait till the market opens. And after that, we'll see from there. If it starts selling, it starts to sell. That would have been a good short, to be honest with you. 150 area. Should have just took that 150 area as my short. I'm gonna wait for 24 minutes. All right, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Taking a break right now. I want to take a break. I don't want to stress this. Tsaka nag-i-school eh. Nag-i-school tsaka ayaw ko siya pinu-force na ayaw sumama.
Oo naman. Hindi naman natin kailangan gawin yun.
All right, all right. So we gotta concentrate now. It's 6 minutes till the market opens. Till the market opens. Just have to wait. We're gonna get it, guys. We're gonna make money. We're gonna try to do our best as much as we can to get the trade going, because I'm excited. I just want to wait for it. If we don't, let's see if it's gonna break through 150. If we break through 150, expect it to go to 200. That's what I suspecting. A lot of liquidity up above. Oh, we gotta be careful on this. All right, so 5 minutes. All right, so really looking at the market structure, looks like a breakout pattern. We could be reaching for this upside right here. Currently traded on this. So as long as we can get above this area one more time, take profit at 164, and then probably we will see from there. $200, 200 points. So we're, how much points are we getting traded by? So 93 points. Okay, so 93. All right, game time, bro. Game time. Let's do this thing. Let's get it started. Yeah, Filipino po. Kumusta? Kamusta, Ryan? How's it going? Taga saan tayo? Sa Pinas. Taga saan tayo sa Pinas? Shout out to mga Filipino dyan sa Pinas. I hope you guys are having a good day. It's a beautiful day to be learning how to trade the stock market. Oh man, my hair is messy. But after 11, I'm going to be done. We got 1 hour and 30 minutes to trade the market, and let's start to make money. All right, so I've got to concentrate now. So we got 2 minutes till the market opens. So it looks like we are selling down now. We might be starting to sell down. Got to take in my position at least. I want to see it test out first where it needs to be at. We got to follow the trend as much as we can. Gotta get that gum in. God, get that. Get the plastic wrap on that. Put it in the trash. All right, so we're holding that level. As long as we can get above 165 and then take it down. Ooh, that's disgusting. Candle. I don't like seeing that kind of thing. Currently, right now, ES is the one that's stronger. It's SMT. Oh, nice, bro. I'm from Cali also. Currently just trading. I love trading the market, man. Okay, there we go. You gotta be waiting 165.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man, I took a loss on that. $1,000 already. That was a bad trade. Yep, that was a bad trade. You know what? It's all good. It's all good. Took that one bad trade. That sucks. That sucks so bad. Okay, we're gonna go look for analysis on this. All right, so we just broke through that area. Cool. What's the next thing we need to do? Just break through, reach for this liquidity here. 220. Oh, we're gonna go to 250 then. 257 then. Once we get to 215, that's like my target.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so if we break through this, all right, so I made back all my loss, which is good. Now I'm just gonna see where the market would want to go. Now it's 150. We broke through that area. This is manipulation. I'm waiting for it to actually just, just hold that level, and then continue to grind to the lower side. 150. If 150 breaks, it's gonna go down. And I'm not chasing it right now. I don't wanna be chasing it. I wanna wait for the setup. But I made back my loss, which is good. I know Calms, and the first one I took a short on the first one, took a loss on that one. I did. I went short on the 200 area, which was like my last resort to make back all the money. And I made it all back. Today's just not my day today. And yeah. We just have to wait for the 10 a.m. Let's see how it's going to hold here at 175 area. I want to see how it holds. But definitely we broke through those areas that we're looking for. I mean, it makes sense already on the 15-minute. You just do a breakout. So definitely this one would be a good to buy. I don't know if there's a lot of buyers into it. Look at the candle though that it forms on the 5-minute time frame. That's the only thing that I'm having problem with is that 5-minute time frame. But we broke through this fair value gap on the 15-minute. So it's expected to go to the upside. Take that 215 area. But today is an easy money to make, guys. Did we break through on ES? That's the question. ES is like the main one. Oof. We did break through ES. All right.
Order filled.
What? All right, so took my short on that. So right back, and now I'm risking $500 in order to make this much.
Order filled.
You gotta believe what you can do.
Order filled. Order filled.
SMT divergence is forming with the ES. So be careful on that one. SMT divergence. ES is looking really, really weak. And it's on the fair value gap. I think we're gonna
Order filled.
Should you be there for? I'm just gonna take a break now. I'm done. Today's not a good trading day for me. We'll just do it some other time. I don't want to hurry up. Yesterday was a good day, and then today was a bad day. I'm not tripping. We're still good. We're gonna work out though after this. It's all good, guys. It's all good. I took the maximum loss today, which is not that ideal, but at the same time, that's part of trading. You got to continue to grow. Just have to keep going. It might not work today, but at the same time, just take the opportunity as much as you can in the market. Today was just not a day for me. Today was just not a day for me, guys. Kind of disappointed myself. take a picture of this. Damn. See, sometimes trade doesn't work out, and you just have to take a break. You gotta take a break. Tomorrow we gotta concentrate tomorrow. Trying to make you fall in love with me. 'Cause that's how the heart works too. Do. Now I just sit around, and I got nothing to do now. I'm just gonna sit around. No trades for me for today. I'm from the Bay Area. Bay Area, bro. I gotta get going. I'm done trading for the day because I gotta go work out. I gotta release all this energy that I have so far. Amazing Grace. Me. All right, I'm done for today from the Bay Area. That's what it is, bro. I want to go work out now. I'll see you guys later. We're done. That's it. We're not, you know, you just have to take a break now. That's it. If you take a losing trade,